Do not even lie to me about never lying, because that's the lie. That is right, YouTubers. Today, we are going to be talking about top lies. I didn't get your tax. I'll pay you back tomorrow. I'm not scared or afraid. I ain't worried about it. I love you. Sorry, I fell asleep. I'm studying. Even though 99% of the time, if you're a student like me, you will just be saying that you're studying, and only 1% of the time will you actually be studying. Report card? Nah, I never got that thing. I have read and accepted all terms and conditions. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. You're the only person I talked to. What? I'm not lying. I care. I don't have gum. Nobody's perfect. The camera's not even on. I'm fine. This is my last piece of gum or food. Did you do your homework? Of course I did. It's just at home, but it's done. I'll never do anything to hurt you. I miss you. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I love your shirt. Where did you get it? Just kidding. That is the ugliest shirt I've ever seen. Is that even like a shirt? Do I like so-and-so? No, of course I don't. I swear I didn't do that. I'll quit talking to them. Something's wrong with my phone. Sorry, I didn't get your text or call. I'll never leave you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't me. I'm sorry. I love you. I don't care. Fine. I love you. I don't care. I'm fine. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm fine. Don't worry. Alright guys, so there you got it. Some of the top lies. I might make part 2 of this because there's just so many lies going around right now. But yeah guys, this is like my first video on this channel, so please subscribe if you love this video, because I love you all already, and I will do all the requests that you want. And comment below what you think is the worst lie that you can say to somebody, or what's the worst lie that somebody has ever told you. Bye guys, have a wonderful day, comment, rate, and please subscribe, and I love you forever. Bye!